What's going on? It's Nova. Unfortunately, a lot of the major releases that we were expecting this month ended up being delayed, which sucks. Basically, that means I'm not able to publish a vlog anytime this week, but I still do need to publish every week, so I will be making this video. Before we get started, I also want to say that I do upload on my second YouTube channel as well. I posted some Twitch highlights from the other day, so if you're into gaming or whatever, check that out if you want. But anyways, a lot of people have been asking me to do some sort of sneaker collection video, so without further ado, let's get into it. Let's begin with my favorite shoe of all time, the Jordan 4 White Cement. These are absolutely iconic. You can have any outfit with these shoes on, and these shoes will make it look fire. I think it has the perfect combination. Well, Jordan 4s in general. I think it has a perfect combination between how flashy it is and how simple it is with this nice neutral colorway. This is the 2016 version. These are extremely soft, very comfortable, and I absolutely love these. Next up, we got Air Max 97s. I normally don't wear running shoes, but I actually really like this model a lot, and that's why I got them. I also got them because it was free from Shoe Palace. Basically, once Shoe Palace switched over to their new Shopify website, what they did is for every order that you made on Shoe Palace, they gave you a $1 gift card. I did make a lot of Shoe Palace orders, especially since I had the cheat code bot, so I was able to get a bunch of shoes for free, and this is one of the ones that I chose, and I'm loving these. Next up, we got Jordan 1 Smoke Grays. There is just something about these. First of all, these are very soft, and there is something about these that just make it look really expensive. I don't know if you catch my drift, but these just look really classy. It just goes well with many outfits. These I have not yet worn outside. To be honest, I'm not sure if I ever will. First of all, because I don't even go out that often to begin with. Second of all, if for any reason at all I need to wear shoes in the house, I got these. Next up, these are one of my more recent pickups, the Jordan 4 Fire Reds. This is basically the shoe that really got me into sneakers. I love this shoe. The very first time I've ever seen these shoes, I was like, damn, I really need to get that pair. I'm very glad that they re-released these. I was waiting for this forever. Finally got my hands on them, especially since I believe the last time they released these were 2012, which is a really long time ago. And at the time when I really wanted these, just me getting into sneakers, I believe they were reselling for around $400 at Flight Club. And yeah, broke boy Nova at the time did not have enough money for that. I still wouldn't buy a pair of sneakers for $400. So that's why I'm pretty happy that I got these for retail. Next up, we have Dornbecker Air Force Ones. I absolutely love Air Force Ones, but the problem is a lot of people are just wearing the same regular ones, but you know, those are iconic, those are classic. Air Force Ones always look good on feet, but I really like this design. It's really not for everybody, but I'm in love with the color and the way they made the swoosh like just flowers basically, and in general, it's just a super dope shoe. Have absolutely no regrets keeping one of these, especially since I got these for $100. Next up, we have reflective Jordan 8s. My thinking at the time when I got these were, you know what? I need a pair of shoes that are really flashy. In this case, this is quite literally flashy. And I also wanted a pair of Jordan 8s. I absolutely love Jordan 8s. They're just really nice. I'm actually probably going to let go of these not too long from now, probably sell them on eBay used, just because I don't find myself to be wearing these that often. I still think they're beautiful, but I just don't wear them all that much. Last but not least, my most recent pickup is the Jordan 11 Jubilees. I think these sneakers are absolutely gorgeous, and I love Jordan 11s because the toe box is extremely strong, especially with that patent leather, and it's really good for gliding. Movement art has been one of my hobbies for a really long time, and that's one of the reasons why I almost exclusively wear retro Jordans, because retro Jordans have really strong toe boxes and they're really good for gliding. Especially these, there is a lot of toe support, so you can really push the boundaries of what looks to be possible and what's not possible which makes for some very beautiful and stunning effects. Now that is about it. I'm sorry I'm not able to put out a vlog this week, but it is what it is. Nevertheless, I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next one.